DeWitt Middle School Library presents How Do I Find It? A tutorial about using the library catalog and finding books in the library. This is iBistro, the library catalog. Before you start searching, think about what you need. Do you know the author's name? Do you know the book's title? How can you best express the subject you want to search for? Take a minute and think before you type. Once you enter a search term, click on one of the buttons below. Let's say you don't remember the name of the book you're looking for, but you do remember the author's name. Enter that in the search bar. Then click the Author button. Before we go on, let's have a quick word on spelling. It's very important that you spell the words you put in the search bar correctly. The catalog can't handle if you mistype it. It can't guess what you meant. So let's say you're looking for books on Ithaca, but you misspell it. This is the results page you would see. Notice that it tells you there was no matches found in the library. And if you look down, you might actually see the term you meant to write it listed below. Click on Change Your Search Words on the right side of the screen to start over. If you spell your search terms correctly, you're more likely to find results. Let's go back to our search for author J.K. Rowling. If you see here, our search turned up 7 titles. To see information about this first result, click the See More button. As you can see here, there's lots of stuff to look at on this page, but the most important thing that you need is in this light blue bar on the top of the screen. There you'll find your call number. The call number will help you find the book. For a fiction book, a story, you'll see an F or a PB and the first 3 letters of the author's last name. For a nonfiction, true book, you'll see a number and the first 3 letters of the author's last name. We'll talk more about that later. Okay, so now you know that the library has the book, and you know what the call number is. But how does that help you find the book? To find your book, it'll help you to know how the library is organized. Look at this map. It'll help you find the section you're looking for. The light green is fiction, and within it, you'll find the graphic novels. Then purple, that's nonfiction. Just past that, along the wall, is the biography section. Our fiction books are organized alphabetically by author last name. They start by the back wall and go left to right. The signs at the end tell you what range of books you'll find in each row. Nonfiction books are organized by number in broad general categories and author name. This is the Dewey Decimal System. As you can see, the numbers range from 000 to 999. Starting at 00 to 99, you can find books about general knowledge, including computers. From 99 to 199, psychology and philosophy. In the 200s, you'll see the religion and mythology section. The 300s, social science, which includes laws, jobs, family, and folk tales. In the 400s, you'll see language. 500 to 599, science and animals. In the 600, technology, so cars, machines, even cooking and medicine. In the 700s, it's the arts and recreation section, which includes music, arts, and sports. In the 800s, you'll find literature, so poetry and plays. And in the 900s, it'll be history and geography. Two special areas you should note is that 920 and 921 are the call numbers for biography, and the call numbers for comic books and graphic novels 741.5. How do you find out about other books that you might like? Well, you could ask a friend, your teacher, or a librarian. You could also check the books lists at the library desk, or browse the book displays. You can always check iBistro's subject headings, especially if you have a favorite book that you like. We'll see what other books are in that same subject heading. Also, check out Novelist. It's one of our online databases, and it can help you find books. You can also check out our new online book reviews. You can even make one yourself if you like. Thanks for watching, and please approach anybody in the library staff if you have any more questions.